Hey, what's going on everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you what ObserveOne does, who it's for, and why it's a product you will love. Let's get started. ObserveOne is an all-in-one testing and observability platform. It helps teams monitor their websites, APIs, and background jobs so they can catch issues before users do. It's designed for startups, SaaS companies, developers, and operations teams who want reliability without complexity. What you're seeing here is ObserveOne dashboard. Everything starts from this screen, creating checks, monitoring uptime, and managing incidents, all in one place. Under synthetics, ObserveOne lets users run browser checks. This means they can simulate real user actions, like logging in, clicking buttons, or completing a checkout flow, and get alerted if anything breaks. This is perfect for catching UI and user journey issues before customers notice. ObserveOne also offers uptime monitoring, which is the core of reliability. Monitor APIs to check speed, responses, and errors. Monitor URLs to ensure websites are always available. Use heartbeat monitors to confirm background jobs and cron tasks are running correctly. By the way, if you want to try our software, you can find the link in the description below. You can start with the free plan. It's completely free and no credit card needed. Let's get back to the video. If anything goes down or behaves unexpectedly, alerts are triggered instantly. When something goes wrong, ObserveOne helps teams respond fast. They can send alerts through configurable alert channels, track issues using built-in incident management, communicate transparently with customers using public status pages. This reduces downtime and builds trust. And remember, monitoring is not optional. Every serious product needs it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and smash that like button to support the channel. Thanks again and have a nice day.